Hello everyone. Today is July 31st, 2024, Wednesday. Welcome to my channel. Microsoft shares fell nearly 3% in pre-market trading on Wednesday as investors ignored better-than-expected earnings and revenue and focused on disappointing cloud computing results. But the company's forecast that its cloud computing business growth will accelerate in the first half of 2025 gave investors some confidence. The company reported fourth-quarter revenue of $64.7 billion, up 15% year-on-year, higher than analysts expected. Net income was $22 billion, or $2.95 per share, up from $20.08 billion, or $2.69 per share, in the same period last year, also higher than expected. Microsoft Cloud computing revenue in the fourth quarter was $36.8 billion, up 21% year-on-year, but lower than analysts' expectations of $37.2 billion. In terms of performance guidance, Microsoft expects first-quarter revenue between $63.8 billion and $64.8 billion, which means a growth rate of 13.8%, which is in the middle of the range. Analysts polled by LSEG expect revenue of $65.24 billion. The forecast includes $15.25 billion in operating expenses, which is in the middle of the range and below Street Account's $16.1 billion forecast. Let's take a look at the daily chart of the stock. We can see that the stock has been in a downtrend in July. Last week, the stock continued to fall before a brief rebound. On Thursday, the stock price fell below the first key support level. The next day, the stock price hit $417 and rebounded, but it fell on Tuesday, indicating that the market lacks confidence and negative sentiment has not yet dissipated. However, the release of the company's fourth-quarter earnings report hit its stock price again. The stock fell 2.8% in pre-market trading on Wednesday, and the stock price fell to $411, the lowest price in July, close to the lowest price in June. Looking at its trading volume, the stock's trading volume on Tuesday was significantly enlarged. Did big capital exit the market? Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that $417 is the current key support level for the stock. In the past 4 trading days, the stock price fell to this position 3 times but did not fall below it. On July 30th, the stock price fell to this position and generated some trading volume. There was a huge trading volume at the last moment of the closing, but the stock price continued to rise in the afternoon. Did big capital take the opportunity to cash out and leave? Now it seems so. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. Technology stocks performed poorly on Tuesday, especially the semiconductor sector, but Microsoft's stock price fell by less than 1%, indicating that there are still big capitals in the market to maintain the stock price. But this does not mean that the stock price will rebound immediately. The technology sector should have a good rebound on Wednesday, but the stock fell against the trend before the market. In addition to its quarterly earnings report, it may also be that big capital pushed the stock price down and took the opportunity to absorb chips at a low level. Of course, this is just my personal inference and does not constitute any investment advice. I think that even if the stock falls further, it should not go too far. Technically, the stock will urgently need a rebound. The target price I currently see is $405, which means that the stock will rebound after 4% of the decline. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for Microsoft stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for popular stocks in the future, and I will see you in the next video.